Question 30 was as follows. The diagram shows a rectangular block of length 10 centimeter, breadth 6 centimeter, and height 5 centimeter. Okay, so the question is as follows. The diagram shows a rectangular block of length 10 centimeter, breadth 6 centimeter, and height 5 centimeter. Okay, so what you need to do is take time and study the block down here. It is drawn and you can see the dimensions are also indicated. Given that the mass of the block is 180 grams, find its density. Given that the mass of the block is 180 grams, find its density. Okay, so to find density, first we're going to come up with a formula, which is density is equal to mass over volume. Density is equal to mass over volume. Okay, so are we given volume in this expression? No, we are not given volume. So what are we going to do? We are going to come up with the volume of this block. So to find the volume of this block, what we're going to do is we're going to multiply. So we're going to write volume is equal to length times breadth times height. Length times breadth times height. Okay, so what is length? We are told length is 10 centimeter times breadth is 6 centimeter. So we say times 6 centimeter. Then height, that is 5 centimeter. So we say times 5 centimeter. Okay, now once we've done that, then we're going to multiply. 10 by 6 centimeter will give us 60, which will be multiplied by 5. Then we say 60 times 5, 60 centimeter squared times 5 centimeter will give us 300 centimeter cubic. Will give us 300 centimeter cubic. Okay, and that is the volume. Okay, so now we come back to our original question, which is calculating density. So we said density is equal to mass over volume. So what is the mass of the block? We are told is 180 grams. 180 grams. Then we write 180 grams where there is mass, divide by the volume. What is the volume? We found that the volume is 300 centimeter cubic. We write 300 centimeter cubic down here. Then once we've done that, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to divide 180 grams by 300 centimeter cubic. Okay, so what we can do is we can ask ourselves to say, can 300 go into 180? It can't. 300 cannot go into 180. So what we're going to do is we're going to put 0 down here, and then we add 0 to 180 and put the decimal point. Okay, so we have got 0 point, and we have got on top there 1,800. So we say, can 300 go into 1,300? Yes, it can. How many times? 6 times. So we write 6. Okay, then is there any remainder that is remaining? No, there is no remainder. 300 can go into 1,800 6 times without leaving a remainder. So we write our answer will be 0.6. Okay, 0.6. So when it comes to write the units, we start with the units which are on top, which is gram, then grams /forwards centimeter cubic. Okay, so our answer will be 0.6 grams per centimeter cubic. 0.6 grams per centimeter cubic, and that is the density of the block. That is the density of the block.